Okay, hold on. That's got all the cords and down. Please be careful.
I got it. I mean, so it did not break.
Yeah.
What we have?
Sally.
I'll get it from under.
All right, let's open her up.
Oh, put it there. There you go. What did that even say? Freeze. What did it say?
So don't say nothing. You got to read it.
Gosh, they're assembly instructions, so we need that. Tells you how to put her together. Sally's face.
Look, I
Careful.
see her head.
All right, let's carefully just put them.
Done.
Easy.
I got her head. I'll get her head.
Easy.
Mommy, hi.
No.
There's a big bush over here.
Okay, hold on. That's got all the cords and down. Please be careful.
I got it. I mean, so it did not break.
You don't know that. You literally don't know that. Can you back up, please?
It did not break in pieces.
That doesn't mean it's not broke.
That's how you Sally's art.
Don't touch.
And that's how they do. I'm being so careful this time. I promise. Okay, I'm sorry. It's closed.
You called it right.
Base, Mommy, I found her base.
I'm with them all day long. I know exactly what's going to happen. All day, every day.
I found her base, Mommy. I got it.
Fabulous, buddy.
There's instructions at the bottom, Mommy. Look, here's your instructions. There's a box here. There's a box.
Her box, that is awesome.
There's a box.
All right, nothing left in there, huh? So let's just toss it out of the way.
That's got instructions at the
I
bottom.
know. It's got instructions right here in case you were wondering. There.
I'm looking for the letter C, guys. I found it.
Those are leg panels. I'm going to put them on. Is you put one on and I'll put one on, okay?
Let's get there first.
There's her leg.
It's not that. We're not there.
I'm looking for other legs.
Hold on, we're not there yet. We're on letter C. No, that's not how it is. That's the lead on.
Pretty leg.
It's like the Christmas toy. Just for like.
She got a split here.
So you're gonna put this right here, Ella. Right here on that one.
There.
But there's a little. Hold on, you gotta push the little bump right here. There we go. Make sure it comes out. Good job.
All right, so I guarantee you her legs slide over that.
Yes,
Well, we're not there. We're not there yet.
Now we gotta listen to the ladders on sound.
Are men just like innately born with the desire to like not look at
I
instructions?
know which leg is the right leg. Mommy, I know which leg is the right leg. It's this one. Hey, get off your butt.
Hold on. I don't think it is actually, Owen. I think
Is
that's
it
the wrong
like-
leg. That's the wrong leg, dude. I feel like according to the picture, it's the wrong leg.
It says, look, it's going down and it's
All right,
right.
Izzy, it goes on the other side.
Hey, why is it not going down? There it is.
Easy.
There, look. Okay.
I'm wondering if we should have it face the other way, just sit on top of those little, if that's the piece that should be there.
As into the
Like it's her
hole.
foot. It doesn't show in the picture. That's why I like
And
it.
push down so
It's her
hard.
foot supposed to like
Push hard.
Oh, easy. Don't push it on anything. Let's not do that. Stop. Look. This is why it's not going down.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You just push it as hard as you can. It doesn't work. Hold on, guys. Give me a second to do something. You think she can want that's the way it should go. Okay, so we're actually going to switch the legs, guys.
Yep,
We're going to switch the legs.
Supposed to go over those little humps.
Yeah, so we're going to switch these legs because they face the other way. And I'll turn the stand around, okay? Easy pulling it out. Hold on, let me just turn this whole thing around, okay? All right, and then you can put it back on this one, Owen. Put it back on this one.
There.
Here. Just like this.
Remember that whole skirt?
There, now you slide them over. Feet finder found them. There you go. Now she's on the ground. Perfect.
Okay, and now is this like super important piece. That goes like really weak, but it says D. What is D? Hold on. I'm looking for the letter D. Don't touch anything with D.
Mommy, I like those.
That's B.
D.
And a D.
D. Mommy, I opened some box.
No. Of course it's this way.
All right.
Don't open it, please. Don't shake it because it's going to break. I don't know.
Put 'em on.
That's
She just
the
goes
cord.
straight on.
Mommy, I know
Does this stay on here though?
it goes
Yes.
on the
Leave it on.
The plastic piece stays on?
Yes. Leave it on.
Does it face forward? I'm guessing.
Yeah, I would imagine so. Cause it's gonna
The
have
holes are in the
to.
back.
Mommy, you just squish
Just
it.
got our feet there.
Mama, stop squishing it. Leave it alone, huh? Jesus. Alright,
Like a
wait.
flower.
No, it's already off. Why does
Grandma's cooking grass. So now let's go in those holes.
Make sure where they're going.
Yeah, they do.
I think they do it better. I think those instructions got messed up.
They do.
Like all the way down?
No. But they can. If they can, it's great.
Sally.
Yep. All right.
I really don't like the head. Okay.
I have to take left and I got her
Lower.
when she's on. Izzy, her eyes move when she's on. Okay? The power line. Mommy, I know what that cord is inside the music thing from. It's connected inside of here because there's a piece wire plugger right here. Mommy, look, there's a piece push.
Yep, and it's gonna break because you don't let go. Stop.
Stop, guys.
And it's inside there also that connect. That's connected to the speaker.
All on camera.
I think I'll take the D part.
Okay, well, it's not time for this part. So,
I'll do that. Her dress on. Oh, I see her pretty dress. Mommy, my piece is over. On top of it. See? What's the matter? What?
I'm looking at a little 6-year-old man planning. What am I looking at, sir?
It's supposed to be like this. Mommy, put the get her shirt and put her hair in it.
I'm on.
All right, we're gonna put the arms in there. Let's go.
I know how to. I will put this arm right here. No, I need
That's correct. You have the right.
What letter?
in that hole.
That's fabulous.
Oh, I'll just put the flower in that hole.
Come on, Owen. Right here. Put it on.
Yes. I'm so not good at it. Let me read. And now I know how to do it, Daddy. Let it go. And put in the hole. So good. And go. Pull. Pull it in. What? There.
You got there.
She got
What
a
is
hole
it?
up here.
What
The
do you have there,
flower,
Isla?
she got a hole up here.
Here, can I do this really quick?
I'll do it.
You can do it. Can I take the sticker off, please?
Oh. Put the hole at the top.
Easy.
Look, Mommy. Izzy's putting the flower in her. Izzy, let me help you. It's the wrong way.
Stop,
Izzy, gotta go like. Izzy, let me help you put it inside a little hole, and then I'll push. There. And that's that.
Something about
One pieces for you. Look, see? There's a wire piece that connects to the head. Mommy, this wire piece is inside the music thing, and it connects to the head. It connects inside to the speaker, and it makes it work. I want to see what's inside there.
probably like a plug. Oh my gosh.
attach the plug in there.
Put her, yeah.
Now look at us.
You need to have this on me. You're good.
Are trying to connect the cord?
Yeah, so just connecting the top over.
Are you done?
Pretty much, dude.
She's all done. Just one.
Undo that for me. Take that off.
Now, I will talk and I'll plug it in. I know where to plug it in. Where to plug it? It's inside these and out the speaker.
Take that. Hold that for a second. Let's see how far it can go.
You might need an extension cord, buddy.
Yep.
No long one. I'm long enough.
Okay, well, we're just gonna slide her for right now.
Why?
So we can plug her in and see her, but we need an extension cord. I gotta figure out how to fix her in chin. Like, I hate she came that way. How do you get that off?
She's staring at me pretty hard out the corner of her eye.
I need to figure out how to fix that.
But there's a block. The block was over here. It looks like over here.
You can't do that.
If you turn the sound speaker on, Mom.
You ready to see her the first time? Walk past it, Mama. What'd you think?
Mommy, hands out.
You might not be tall enough.
Yeah, you gotta wave up there at her neck.
At her neck. Keep going.
I can't get it. I want to jump high. I'm trying to get it out.
There you go.
I just touched it.